Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically use this like baby filter to find out like what your future kid might be with like your partner. It's a very fun filter to try. So just search up like baby generating filter on TikTok or on CapCut, and then once you found like a person whose like video says like CapCut try this template, you're just going to select try this template, use template in CapCut. You can also search it in CapCut, by the way. You can also like search the name. It's by Shayla. You select use template and select the pictures of the person you want to merge the picture with, and it's going to load up the filter like so. It's like a combination of both parents, and you're just going to select export and select save and share to TikTok if you don't want the watermark. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!